In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure an LTE network using the Ruckus LTE mobile app. You can download the app from the iOS App Store and/or the Google Play Store. And as a note, there are many Ruckus apps on the App Store, so please search Ruckus LTE and look for the green color app with the LTE on it. As a note, the LTE mobile app does not allow you to create a venue. This must be created using the browser user interface. But you can add LTE networks, add LTE APs, certify APs, and monitor LTE networks, APs, traffic, and clients, and get help or contact Ruckus support. So after starting the app, I would type my password and log in. Then I would press sign in. That'll authenticate. And this brings me to the main dashboard. So as you can see, I have one venue created. I have not installed any APs, and I don't have any networks. And as a note, you can add a network or an AP by tapping on the three dots at the top, or you could tap on the orange plus sign, and that'll allow you to add an AP or add a network. So I'm going to go ahead and configure a network. So I'll tap on the menu at the upper right, and I'll say Add Network. And I'm going to select an LTE network. First, I'm going to give the network a name. I'm going to call it EPC West Art. You'll notice that I have a PLMN ID of 315010. And now I have one ECGI record. And that record says that there are 94 ECGIs available. Now this ECGI record was configured using the user interface. So I'm going to enter in my mobile management entity IP address. So I've entered in my MME IP address, and that is a proprietary piece of information, so I have masked that out. Next, I'm going to add in the IP address of my security gateway, and once again, that is a piece of proprietary information. Next is my tracking ID, and then last is my physical cell ID. And after entering my physical cell ID, then I would press Next. And now I'll assign the network to a venue, and I only have one venue, so I'll turn that venue on, and I'll press on Create, and that'll create the LTE network. Network added successfully. Tap on OK. And now you can see that we have our network added. So if I tap on my network, it says that all is well, the LTE network, and then I can look at my network settings. So I can see the PLM ID, the ECIGI records, the available ECGIs, in this case is 94. And the MME gives me the IP address of that. If I wanted to delete the network, I could press on Delete at the bottom. I don't want to do that. I could press on I for Events, and it shows me that there are no events. So as you can see, setting up a Ruckus LTE network using the LTE mobile app is very easy to do. And in this case, the next thing I would do would be to install an LTE AP.